Okay, so page 11 is pretty simple, and I'm not going to spend a lot of time. I have given you a few talking points. Any of these things are good information to include in an open-ended response answer. So for describe the role of for this video, you might want to pause it, look over some of the bullet points, and maybe pick one or two that you're comfortable with. Some of them are more complicated than others, but that's really how page 11 goes. Describe the role of ATP in biochemical reactions. And at this point, you could pause this and just kind of read through these four choices. They're all pretty acceptable answers. These multiple choice question on ATP says a protein in a cell membrane changed its shape to move sodium and potassium ions against their concentration gradient. So when you see that, you automatically need to think about active transport. You're moving against the concentration gradient, the sodium-potassium pump. So your obvious choice here is A, ATP. Okay, the open-ended part for here, again, is just restating the equations for photosynthesis and cellular respiration. So that's all you really have to put in these boxes, and it wants you to be able to explain how the energy from the sun ends up becoming ATP. So you're going through that process again. Part B wants you to be able to identify that this is a cyclical process. The products that go into photosynthesis the products that come out of photosynthesis become the reactants in cellular respiration. It's a cyclical, it's cyclical in nature. It's a cycle. It goes around and round. And then I've given you some talking points here. You'll want to pause this and read through these, but these are just some bullet points on photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Like I said before, look through this list and kind of pick a few things that resonate with you think would be good answers.